Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to be making a healthy kale berry smoothie. So let's begin. So guys, I make this smoothie every morning and it is because it is great in antioxidants. So the ingredients that we need is some kale flakes, some flaxseed, some Greek plain yogurt, some almond milk or plant-based milk, some ice, and some frozen berry mix of your choice. And I'm going to use some Splendor as sweetener. It's up to you what you want to use. You can use honey or you can use some other sweetener alternative, but it's only about a teaspoonful. So here we're going to add our plain yogurt to our blender. I'm using a Magic Bullet. You can use your regular plain blender for this, or any other option that you have. After we add that, I'm going to add in the flaxseed, and that is about 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. Guys, flaxseed is great in fiber. And then we are going to add those kale flakes, which is great in fiber too. We have our mixed berry smoothie. Mixed berries, and they're frozen. And then I'm going to add in that 1/2 cup of almond milk or plant-based milk. So you can use one of your choice. I'm going to add in a few ice cubes and that sweetener that I told you about earlier, and then I'm going to blend the ingredients together. So both kale and flaxseed is an antioxidant. Kale is a great source for vitamin C and K, iron, good for your eye health, and flaxseed is great for fiber and good for that digestive system, which I need help. So guys, here is our smoothie all blended together. Look at all that goodness coming out of that cup. And I also love the color because of the berries. It makes a nice little purple color. So guys, I would definitely recommend you try this smoothie out. It is very tasty, and not just tasty, it has some great health benefits. Kale has, like I mentioned before, vitamin C and vitamin K, and it's great for your eyes, bone health, digestive system, heart disease. The list goes on and on. And definitely flaxseed definitely has benefits too. It's good for your cholesterol, your digestive system, if you're dealing with sugar issues, heart disease, skin. So guys, check out the benefits of both of these ingredients. And if you try the shake, let me know down in the comment section what you think. So guys, I did put a little umbrella in there because like I said, I want to believe that I'm on the beach while I'm drinking my smoothie. So I have about 1 billion of these little paper umbrellas. I think I'm going to use them in every drink that I have for this summer. But guys, thanks again for joining us for another video. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Leave a smiley face down in the comment section. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. We upload a new video weekly. See you then. Bye.